Hey, it's Mikey. Today I want to talk about NIO because what you have here, I believe, is a very rare dip buying opportunity. Now, you see this stock, it's down almost 6%, and you may think, well, I don't want to buy this stock, it's down 6%. But you should take a look at this stock compared to its 1 month chart where it was at 21 and now it's at 41, it's almost doubled. And then you look at its 6 month chart where it was sitting at 3, and in 6 months it's gone up 1,200%. So the fact that this stock only really, I say only pulled back 6% is actually not that bad. And also consider the fact that this stock, NIO, this Chinese EV maker stock, is pulling back as well as Tesla, as well as Fisker, as well as the other EV automakers. So there's no specific reason for NIO to be pulling back. There's nothing wrong with the company itself. It's just there's a general rotation away from the high-flying tech stocks into more value stocks. And I have no idea how long it will last. I suspect this may last up until around Black Friday. I think we'll see a rotation back into tech stocks. But this is going to be a rare dip buying opportunity for NIO, because if you look at the stock over the past 6 months, you haven't had a lot of real dip buying opportunities. You had maybe one over here and one over here and maybe a little one over here. And then you've had this sort of big, almost blow off top over here. So you're probably going to get some of this getting retraced. Maybe it might get retraced back to 37, 38. But the thing is, it could go down to 37 and then rocket back up to 43 or 45 within days. So you don't want to be a market timer here. You just want to take advantage of the fact that this stock is moving lower. And if you feel comfortable, go ahead and buy in, because there's a company that's going to be a lot higher in the future. It's the biggest EV automaker in China. China has hundreds of millions of vehicles on the road. The Chinese government is going to want to take all the combustible engines, or as many combustible engines, off the road as possible and convert those to electric vehicles. So obviously NIO is going to benefit from that. And there are not a lot of big players at the top when it comes to Chinese EV automakers. You do have Teslas out there, NIO, Xpeng is also out there, but there's not like there's a big glut of major competition. And also NIO has the advantage that they're doing battery swaps instead of powering their vehicles at superchargers. So the long-term story for NIO is good. There's nothing material about the company itself that would lead to its downturn today. It's just a general rotation of this types of stock. So this is a time that if you want to get into it now, because I think NIO is going to be taken off again, and you want to feel bad that you miss out on this opportunity. So that's just my thoughts on NIO. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and subscribe and turn on notifications. I do multiple daily updates on hot stocks like EV stocks, penny stocks, and all that fun stuff. And I also talk about options and options trading strategies. Okay, thank you very much. Bye.